Welcome to Insight Analyzer, a powerful PC and Mac desktop software designed to uncover untapped content ideas by directly accessing the minds of your target audience. Now let me ask you, are you tired of guesswork in your keyword strategy? Do you struggle to find content ideas that truly resonate with your audience? Or do you just want to rank your content higher in Google and other search engines? Well, listen to this. In Google's recent core updates, they are preventing more spam content showing up in the results by putting focus on something they call people-first content, which means content that's created primarily for people and not content meant to manipulate the search engine rankings. And there is a hidden goldmine of the exact content ideas you need for creating people-first content, and it's located right on Google. It's hiding in the People Also Asked section that shows on nearly every Google search. And the People Also Asked data is one of the best sources of both intent and keyword data that you can get. Now, when you click on the People Also Asked question, you will notice more questions are appended to the end of the list. Even if you click on the same question multiple times, more will appear. So, Google is telling you if someone is asking about your search phrase, this is the next most likely thing they're going to ask as well. Therefore, creating content around these questions is the exact people-first content that Google wants to rank higher. Simply put, Google wants to rank content that actually helps people. Hi, my name is Dave, the developer and creator of Insight Analyzer, and I designed this software to uncover the exact content ideas that will resonate with your target audience. With the PAA extractor tool within the Insight Analyzer software, you can quickly extract the People Also Ask questions, parent questions, page titles, page links, and the answer content directly into a data grid. But not only that, with one click, you can map all the questions into an interactive tree view to quickly see the intent proximity as well as how the questions connect to each other. It's like having a direct line to people's thoughts and the perfect recipe for content briefs, as well as understanding how to satisfy search intent. You can zoom in and out, move around the tree, expand and collapse nodes, and clicking on each question reveals more information in a nice pop-up. Change from horizontal to vertical view, and even change the compact view to make it even easier to navigate. If you need more data, well, no problem. Select up to 8 levels deep and auto-click each question up to 5 times, generating well over 1,000 questions from a single search phrase. Need to bulk search? Well, we got you covered. Using the bulk search tool, you can insert multiple search phrases, select the output files you want, and watch the software completely automate the entire process right before your eyes. You can even run multiple instances of the software side by side, pumping out the data you need for creating compelling content that resonates with your audience. Using the Google Advanced Search, you can change from 46 different languages and select up to over 230 different regions, helping you narrow results for your specific needs. You can even get computer estimated search volume, cost per click, and competition, as well as import search volume data from free resources such as the Google Keyword Planner. And if you have a paid Keywords Everywhere account, you can connect Insight Analyzer and instantly get URL metrics, historic monthly search volume, cost per click, and competition directly into the data grid. You even get a Keywords Everywhere tool for uncovering trends and trend spikes, quickly identifying trending ideas for creating compelling content. Now, even though a lot of these long-tail keyword phrases or questions may have zero search volume, they still can bring in a lot of traffic. And here's why. There are 8.5 billion Google searches every day, and 20% of those have never been seen before, Well, that means 1.7 billion zero-volume search phrases are happening every single day, and you can capitalize by using these long-tail keywords and questions. Now, we didn't stop there. You also get the Insight Generator tool that listens into auto-suggest data from search engines like Google, then pumps out every useful phrase and question people are asking around your search phrase. Simply enter your search phrase, select the keyword source, country, and language, then select the search type modifiers you want, and you instantly get a goldmine of consumer insights that you can use to create fresh, useful content as well as products and services that your customers really want. Use the modifier editor tool to change between long lists or short lists, helping you create even more long-tail keywords you would have never thought of. And similar to the PAA extractor tool, you can also get search volume data into the data grid using 3 different methods. Another powerful feature we integrated is the ability to group your keywords or questions into tight, relevant groups using the Group Generator tool. Now you can instantly reveal what people are asking about within tight, related groups, helping you create fresh new content that people want. You can even see the average search volume, average CPC, and average competition for each group, making it even easier to understand what is already trending. But it even gets better. We also integrated 2 more powerful tools for generating content using the power of artificial intelligence. With the AI Generator tool, you simply connect the software to your OpenAI API key, and you can start generating content using the latest AI models. You can convert a question or keyword phrase to an article piece, or convert a set of questions or keywords to an article, or instantly scrape a people also ask article URL or any given link and instantly rewrite the content into a fresh, new, unique article piece. Plus, it can instantly convert a YouTube link to text and then rewrite the content into an article. With the built-in HTML editor, you can do the quick edits you need fast before saving your content to HTML or text files. You can even fine-tune your AI content using the advanced settings to really control how you want your content to appear. Now, if you don't want to connect to your OpenAI API key, we have another tool just for you. The AI Browser tool contains a built-in browser with all the popular free AI engines preloaded into the bookmarks for you to quickly access and generate AI content without the use of an API key. We even built in a logins tool to make it even easier to get to your favorite AI engine fast. Plus, we built in a rewrite URL tool that scrapes a given link or YouTube video link and creates a full prompt that you can copy and paste directly into your favorite AI engine, making it super fast to get to the content you need.